In the 8th year after the Hijrah, a momentous event unfolded in the sacred city of Mecca, marking the culmination of years of struggle and perseverance. The Muslims, led by the Prophet Muhammad, had endured persecution, exile, and battle on their journey to spread the message of Islam. As they approached Mecca, the city that had once expelled them, they did so not with vengeance, but with a spirit of forgiveness and compassion. The victory of Mecca was not only a military triumph, but also a triumph of mercy and humanity, as the Prophet Muhammad declared a general amnesty for all its inhabitants. It was a moment of reconciliation and unity, as former adversaries embraced Islam and pledged allegiance to the Prophet Muhammad. Let us remember the victory of Mecca as a testament to the transformative power of forgiveness and compassion, inspiring us to strive for peace and reconciliation in our own lives and communities.